I made a feather bed.
Okay, dear, what are you doing?
Just preparing my escape route.
Okay.
What?
So, hold on, sis, let me talk. So yesterday you got a phone call saying that some friends found a swarm of bees that you successfully caught. And then today when you went to go check on them, they had all left. And so we hunted through the park and you found them pretty quickly and they're just hanging out. And now you're gonna try and recapture them and hope they don't run away from home the second time.
This was attacking me already.
Well, if they're attacking you, then we're not gonna tape for very long. We're gonna go inside. So if this is a short video, you know what happened. You can kind of see the swarm right there over his left shoulder. He's clearing the tree out so that he can knock them all into his box. What do you think, Nicholas?
Awesome.
Awesome. Okay, well, if there's going to be angry bees, we're all going to leave. So you tell me.
Mommy.
Yeah, you guys
Okay, peace out.